Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager in industrial power truck and equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2016 Isuzu NPR diesel. Stock number is 42149 if you'd like to take a look on our website. Before we jump into that walk around, we want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. We've done a 150 point check. We've gone through the cab, the body, engine, transmission, fluids, tires, brakes. Any discrepancies that were found, we'd run it through the medium duty shop and the body shop. Done a quick QC on it, clean up, put online for you. This truck, on top of that 150 point check, we have done the engine oil, the oil filter, air and fuel filters, and this truck is pre-qualified for the Isuzu Goldstar warranty, which is a factory extended warranty. Really great product to put on this truck to keep you safe. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb into the truck with all cab over, low cab forward trucks, easy to get in. We've got a captain's chair for the driver, 2-person bench so you can have a crew of 3. And with the cab forward trucks, they got great outward but upward visibility too, since they don't have the hood of a conventional truck, which makes it a smaller footprint from a conventional truck, so it's a lot more maneuverable. As we said, it is diesel automatic, so it's easy to drive. This unit has got a backup camera, which is a really nice safety feature, air conditioning, and cruise control. And even though this is a 2016 truck, you can look at it and see that it's really well maintained. Be a nice, safe, clean ride for your guy to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people don't know this, but Industrial Power has been an Isuzu dealer for over 30 years, so we know what it is to give service before, during, and after the sale of the truck. A lot of times you start looking at van bodies, they're beat up. This van body is in really nice shape, 14-foot aluminum Morgan. This truck has got really good rubber all the way around it. And back here on the back, it's got a really nice Palfinger 89 36+6 aluminum platform rail lift. The rail lifts are nice because they go up and down instead of on an arc like the regular conventional tuckaway lift gates. This is a 14-foot, 85 tall, 96-inch wide van body. It's got the slats, the scuff at the bottom, and the bottom couple of slats and scuff are carpeted. Nice for moving furniture, appliances, stuff like that. Nice aluminum roof. Got a dome light in it for those early morning, late afternoon deliveries, and the laminated hardwood floor in this body is in still really good shape. And of course, we got the roll-up rear door. Liftgate works just as good going down as it did going up. A lot of our customers come in looking for delivery type trucks. We have got the bigger 26-foot van bodies. We got the smaller 14-foot and anything in between. And even though this truck is in really, really good shape, we can still wrap this body in the cab if you'd like, with your name, your graphics, your design, turning that fuel money into advertising money while you're rolling down the road. So we said we've got a really nice 2016 Isuzu NPR diesel automatic 12,000 GVW truck with the pre-qualified for the Isuzu extended warranty. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and like I said, we'd really like for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified. Stick with us for a second. We're going to tilt the cab on this truck, start her up, and give you a little more intimate walk around of the truck. And as always, we do appreciate your time.